What if I told you that 53% of your potential customers will abandon your Magento store if it takes more than 3 seconds to load? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to prevent this from happening with the ultimate guide to Magento site hosting. Let's dive in. Why proper Magento hosting matters. Before we dive into the technical details, let's talk about why hosting is the foundation of your Magento store's success. Your hosting environment directly impacts page speed, security, traffic handling, and maintenance time. Google research shows every second of delay cuts conversions by 20%. That's thousands in lost revenue from poor hosting decisions. The right setup delivers fast experiences, strong security, and smooth scaling during peak seasons. Critical Magento hosting. Mistakes to avoid. Mistake 1. The first common mistake is using inadequate hosting infrastructure. Magento 2.48 requires at least 4 CPU cores, 8 GB RAM, 240 GB SSD storage, PHP 8.3, 8.4, and Apache 2.4 or Nginx 1.26. Mistake number 2. Ignoring multi-server architecture needs. Inadequate hosting leads to slow pages, timeouts, and crashes. Always choose dedicated or cloud-based Magento-optimized hosting. As stores grow, single-server setups become bottlenecks. Mistake number 3. Neglecting essential caching strategies. Modern Magento stores use distributed architecture with load balancers, separate web and database servers, and dedicated caching. Caching is crucial, yet often overlooked. Implement Varnish for full-page caching, Redis for backend caching, browser caching, PHP OP cache, and flat catalogs for large inventories. Without this, servers waste resources processing identical requests repeatedly. Mistake number 4. Overlooking important security measures. Security vulnerabilities threaten customer data and business continuity. Implement two-factor authentication, custom admin URLs, strong password policies, CAPTCHA, web application firewalls, HTTPS, and regular security scanning. Mistake number 5. Failing to embrace cloud evolution. Traditional hosting can't match modern cloud solutions. Leading stores now use auto-scaling, CDNs, AI monitoring, containerization, and serverless functions for tasks like image processing. In 2025, serverless computing has transformed how Magento stores handle resource-intensive operations. Technical requirements and innovations. For optimal Magento hosting, use Linux with Apache or Nginx. Many setups use both, with Nginx handling front-end and Apache for back-end. Use MySQL 8.4 or MariaDB 11.4 with proper indexing and monitoring. Modern hosting now leverages edge computing to reduce latency by processing data closer to users. Serverless components handle specific tasks without burdening core servers. Microservices break Magento's structure into smaller, manageable services. AI predicts traffic patterns and adjusts resources automatically before spikes occur. Speed optimization techniques. To maximize speed, use the latest PHP with optimized settings. Implement Varnish and Redis, enable HTTP 3, and use proper compression. Content delivery networks are now essential. They distribute content globally, reduce server load, and protect against attacks. Images often make up most of your page weight. Use WebP or AVEF formats, responsive images, lazy loading, and minified code. These techniques can cut page weight by 50–70%, improving load times. Speaking of speed, specialized providers like MGT-COMMERCE offer exceptional performance for Magento stores with page load times under 0.3 seconds. This kind of optimization directly improves your conversion rates and customer experience. When pages load this quickly, customers stay longer and purchase more. Proper Magento hosting creates an optimized environment for speed, security, and growth. Every second saved increases conversions by up to 7%. In today's competitive landscape, your technical foundation determines your store's success. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more Magento tips. Drop your hosting questions below.